Oh, Tina, I'm sorry.
And who is Tina?
I just wanted to grow some seedlings for spring, but it's so cold outside that even now my Tina has wilted.
Stop naming plants. Maybe you should study gardening.
I cannot be a rock star and a gardener. I don't have time.
Honey, try Smart Seed Starter.
The smart what?
Smart Seed Starter.
It's a dream come true.
With the latest germination technology, it's easy to assemble and the perfect size for planting your favorite seeds. Adjust temperature and lighting and monitor everything right from the LETPOT app. Once the climate is set, connect the soil EC nutrient monitoring cable, suitable for different growing media, and track nutrition in real time. And it's nothing like that old useless germination system. It's time to grow. Your seeds will germinate while you focus on other activities. Its 24-watt LED keeps plants strong indoors, no more leggy stems, while automatic temperature control helps seeds sprout up to 2 times faster. Powered by LETPOT's AI, the system adjusts day and night temperatures for optimal growth, boosting seedlings' strength and energy efficiency, helping even beginners cultivate like pros.
Wow! It's time to grow outside.
No. Springtime is not coming yet. By the way, this is Carmen, this is Olivia.
Make your seedlings healthy and strong, automatically. LETPOT, Smart Seed Starter. Support us now on Kickstarter with the best discount.